Hi guys, welcome back to Dude's Tech. And today we're taking a look at best RJ45 connector. If you've ever struggled with a network cable that was just a little too short, this small but powerful solution might be exactly what you need. It's simple, practical, and designed to keep your connection strong and stable. Let's get started. Today we're talking about the SAMG RJ45 connector. The SAMG RJ45 connector, also known as the TI RJ45 network pass-through head, is built to extend your network connection quickly and safely. Instead of replacing your entire cable, you can simply join two network cables together and create a longer one. The best part is that it does this without signal loss or damage, so your internet performance stays reliable. One of its key features is the plug-and-play functionality. There is no complicated setup or technical process. You just connect one cable on each side of the SAMG RJ45 connector, and you instantly have a longer cable. This makes it perfect for both home users and professionals who need a quick and effective networking solution. Another important feature is the gigabit interface. The SAMG RJ45 connector supports high-speed data transmission, which is essential for modern networks. Whether you are streaming, gaming, transferring large files, or working online, you can count on stable and fast data flow. It is designed to handle the demands of today's internet usage without slowing you down. To make sure the connection remains strong, the connector includes a thickened PCB board. This adds durability and improves performance stability. On top of that, it features a metal shielding layer. This shielding protects against interference, which is especially important in environments where many devices are connected. It helps maintain a clean and consistent signal even if cables are frequently plugged and unplugged. Durability is another strong point of the SAMG RJ45 connector. The metal shielding structure not only reduces interference, but also adds wear resistance. This means the connector can handle daily use and high-traffic networking areas without wearing out quickly. It is built to last, making it a reliable addition to your network setup. The compact design is also worth mentioning. The SAMG RJ45 connector fits easily into tight spaces behind TVs, computers, routers, and other network devices. Even though it is small, it maintains full performance and keeps your setup neat and organized. Whether you need a temporary extension or a more permanent installation, this connector makes cable management easier and reduces downtime. It is a simple tool, but it plays a big role in keeping your network running smoothly and efficiently. Sometimes the smallest upgrades make the biggest difference. If you need a dependable way to extend your network cable, this could be the perfect solution. Check the price link in the description to learn more. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Dude's Tech for more helpful tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.